Hi everyone, welcome to this new series of videos about Total.js version 5, the latest version in 2024. In this video, I want to go through the steps of installing Total.js version 5 first, and step by step we're gonna discover what is new and what is the differences also with the previous version, which is version 4. And we are going to learn how to install and create apps with Total.js version 5. We are also going to learn about some features of Total.js version 5 like plugin enable and also new apps which are built on top of it, like Total.js less code, and not forgetting to make some videos about UI builder and Total.js CMS, lots of other things like this which are very useful for building web applications on top of Total.js. So this first video is going to focus on installing it, so I'm going to make it very short, and after that we can continue with the other videos. So I'm going to open up a new terminal like this here, and I can move to the desktop of my computer. I can list and see all the folders within it. Now I can simply make a folder like mkadir total 5, okay, and move to that folder. In that folder I'm going to initiate the Total.js version 5. How I do that? I can just type Total.js okay, npm init, because Total.js is at first a npm application, a nodejs application. After that I can add Total.js version 5. To do that, it is very easy. I can just type npm init install Total.js total 5 and precise the version I want. Okay, there is no release on Total 5 yet, so we are using the beta version. Let us hit enter and wait for it to install everything. I can open the folder in VS Code. Okay, here this is the folder. I can drag and put it on VS Code like that so that you can see everything. First of all, what we need is a index file. Okay, in that index file I can show you how to start Total.js version 5. If you go into the package.json, you can see that Total.js 5 has been installed, and there is this version actually. Let us move into the index file and start importing it. We just need to require it, okay, and put total 5. After that, just by importing it like this will give you access to the global framework, okay, which is Total. Okay, you can also call it F. Okay, this is those people who are using Total.js version 4. F is going to represent the framework. We are going to use the new alias, which is Total. Okay, we can put total.run in order to run our application. What is needed here is some options. Okay, let us declare a variable here called options, which is an empty object. We can have options dot port to precisely say what is the port number. I'm going to use 5000. okay, we can also have options dot release. I'm going to put it false by default, and I can use options like this, and it is okay. After I did that, what I will do is to launch the application via node index.js, and yes, the application is actually running. If you want to find more options about the Total.js version 5, feel free to go to the GitHub of Total.js and take all look into the the already existing applications. Let me go to the browser here and go to GitHub. Once you are at this website, you can pick whatever applications you need. Like for example, the CMS also, for example, is built on top of Total.js version 5, and you can click on it and click on index.js. The start script is there for you to learn about the existing, the options. Like here you have options to precisely set the IP address and the port, the Unix sockets if you're using Unix sockets instead, the configuration, the default configuration for Total.js, call the f.run or total.run. This is going to be the same, and launch your applications. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This video was simply to show you how to install it, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple application with it.